Hey guys, welcome back to another Bodyline Automotive restyling video, and I'm just going to show you a quick look-see at one of these brand new next-gen Ranger Tremor, as you can see. So that's the next-gen Ranger Tremor, the new 25 model, and we fitted one of our Bodyline Electric Series V4 series flat rail roller covers, including refit of the factory Tremor sports bar. We've got a customized bracket specifically designed for the Tremor. So as you can see on this video, it is a really nice fit. Suits the Tremor or the next gen Ranger perfectly. The sports bar fits just like it does from the factory. The roller cover has a very slimline design. So here is the factory plastic trim. This is the roller cover, so it's only 6mm high. Brackets fit on perfectly. There's no drilling. They can be removed, they can be moved. So it's basically the best roller cover on the market for the Tremor, specifically designed with the next gen Ranger in mind. This roller cover is now available from Bodyline Automotive. I'll show you how it works. Just open it up now. Here we are. So it opens up, it comes with two remotes, hooks up to the factory battery, so positive and negative terminals, and basically open, close, light on, light off functionality. So very bulletproof. Nothing really goes wrong with these, unlike some of the ones that have all that functionality built in. They work. It's got a big LED light, black canister. Now what's really interesting is a lot of the other roller covers on the market, they have quite a big canister, and this curtain stops about here, about 500, half a meter from the cabin. Our one stops just under 30 centimeters from the cabin. So this space here is much smaller than anything on the market, or one of the smallest on the market. The canister size, how far it goes down, is also one of the best on the market, and you get a lot more space in here versus some of the other cheaper ones that go all the way down. Full size LED light, as you can see, all nicely fitted, compatible with the factory track system. Tremor sports bar back on. It's just a really nice looking unit, as you can see. Now we've also fitted for this customer a pair of tub lockers, left and right. Now these are Bodyline tub lockers. They basically swing out and let you fit all sorts of stuff in there. You can carry up to 38 kilos in here. They're lockable, but if you've got a roller cover, you don't really need to lock them. They are water resistant, and they swing out, as you can see, both left and right. So as you can see, they swing out, and they also lift out. So you can lift them out, you can swing them out, and they just carry your random, stuff that you might have in the tub. Stops it sliding and banging around while you're driving. So this car's had the full Bodyline treatment. Electric Series roller cover, the latest generation, sports bar back on, two pair of tub lockers, and yeah, it all just looks really good. Let's close it up and show you just how nicely it runs. Let's close that up, press the button, roller cover closes. Nice and silent operation, and as you can see, everything fits up really nicely. We've designed these specifically for the next gen Ranger and the Tremor. So if you've got a Tremor, we've done a bunch of these cars now. Come and see us for one of our Electric Series roller covers. Thank you for watching.